Hello everyone, and then welcome to another tutorial video. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you a quick trick, a secret trick as to how to get MTN quick loan as fast as possible. Okay, I'm gonna show you the best trick, or the best tip to get 1,000 Ghana MTN quick loan in just 1 minute. Okay, so in case you are interested in this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification so that you don't miss out on future videos. Okay, like the video so that it gets pushed to other people who are in need, or want to apply for the MTN quick loan and get it as soon as possible. Share the video to your friends and family members or others who are they need help in purchasing this bundle. Getting this MTN quick loan. Okay, right, so without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. So first you have to check your eligibility. Okay, check the eligibility requirement. Okay, so first things first. Okay, for an MTN user you have to check your eligibility requirement before trying to apply for the MTN quick loan. Again, this video will help you apply for the MTN quick loan and get the money as soon as possible. Okay, this is the best trick you could ever find. Okay, you get at most 1,000 Ghana cedis within 1 minute. Yes, trust me, that's really true. Okay, so let's proceed. So first, to be eligible you have to be a candidate and must be at least 18 years old. Okay, to be an eligible candidate for the MTN quick loan you have to be 18 years old or above. That's what the at least means. Okay, 18 years, exactly 18 years or above 18 years. So 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, right, so you must have MTN Ghana SIM card. Okay, you must have your MTN Ghana SIM card. That's also a requirement. After being above 18, you must have MTN Ghana SIM card, and then you must have have used the MTN services for at least 90 days. Okay, that's more than 3 months. Okay, you must use the MTN services for more than 3 months. Okay, so let's proceed. Now, additionally, you need to use MTN mobile money frequently. So within the 90 days or 3 months, you have to use the MTN mobile money frequently. So let's say within the first 30 days you use the MTN mobile money frequently, next 30 days and the next 30 days. Okay, making 90 days. Okay, so you have to use MTN mobile money frequently in order to be eligible to apply. Okay, so first you have to be 18 years or above. Second, you have to get MTN Ghana SIM card or MTN Nigeria SIM card, MTN South Africa SIM card, and irrespective of the country you are, okay, you have to get the MTN SIM card. Okay, now you move on to using the mobile money services for 90 days. So you must have used MTN services for at least 90 days. So one thing is that it could be mobile money services, it could be MTN services. Okay, but I would advise you to use more of the mobile money services than the MTN services, because once you use more of the mobile money services, they will tend to flag your number so that they will know that so this user is very, very active on mobile money. So once you apply for the quick loan, you get it straight ahead. Okay, it's better to be active on the mobile money wallet, than the normal MTN services. It's good to be active on other MTN services, but it's very, very good to be active on mobile money. Okay, right, so you need to use the MTN mobile money frequently, as I initially stated. Now, interested parties must maintain an active e-wallet. That's why I was stating. Okay, that's what I initially stated. You have to be active when it comes to MTN mobile money. So you have to do transaction deposit frequently. Okay, that's really, really important, so that they could flag your account and then know that this user is very, very active. Okay, so once you apply, you'll be good to go. Okay, now the last thing, last but not least, is that if you regularly use MTN quick loan services, you need to have a strong credit history and score. So what they mean is that provided you use MTN quick loan, you have to have you have to be able to pay up. Okay, you have to be able to pay up after you've done you've applied for the loan. So after applying and then after getting the loan and maybe other commissions, you need to pay back as quick as possible. Okay, so that's what they mean by a strong credit history and score. Now take note of this. If you have a pending loan, that's where the last point comes in. Okay, if you have a pending loan, so in case you have a low credit score, credit history and score, you won't be given this privilege. Okay, so you have to get what, a very high credit history and score. Okay, so means that you pay up quickly. Okay, once you get the loan, pay up. Once you get the loan, pay up. Right. So if you have a pending loan, that may be the reason you are ineligible for the loan. Okay, prior to applying for a new loan, it's always advisable to pay off an existing loan that is past due. Okay, so it came to a point where MTN or the unregistered SIM cards were cut off. Okay, those people were lucky. Most people had loss of debt. Okay, they went in for MTN Quickloan and they didn't pay up. Even it wasn't that they didn't pay up, they couldn't pay up. Okay, some couldn't pay up, others ended up otherwise. Okay, but to get this quick loan, you have to pay up pending loans. Okay, in order to get this 1,000 cedis plus in just 1 minute. Okay, so now we are going into the simple approach into getting this amount within 1 minute. Okay, so in case you are getting value from this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification. Okay, share, like, and let us know whether you have any questions in the comment section. I'll reply to them as soon as possible. Okay, so let's proceed. Now, this is how to get the 1,000 Ghana cedis plus in just 1 minute. Now, the first step is to dial 170 hash star 170 hash on your mobile phone. Okay, so in case you are using whatever phone you are using, provided you have the MTN SIM card, and then you've been able to you are eligible for applying for the quick loan. That's, you've checked all these boxes. Okay, all these boxes, being 18 years or above, having MTN SIM, being active, and not having pending loans. Okay, right. So you dial star 170 hash on your mobile phone. You wait for the pop-up menu to appear, and then you select number 5. Okay, you select the number 5 option and click financial services. So you are going in for the quick loan. This is a different approach. Okay, so you dial star 170 hash. You wait for the pop-up menu to appear, and then you choose option 5, and then click on financial services, and then you proceed. Choose number 3 and select quick loan. Okay, you choose number 3 and select quick loan. Okay, and then you move on to select option get a loan. So initially you use different codes to get quick loan, but this one a different approach. Okay, you dial star 170 hash, you select option 5, and then click on financial service. Okay, click on financial service, and then you choose number 3, select quick loan. Okay, now you select option get a loan. Okay, that's 4, option point 4. Okay, select the option get a loan, and then choose the loan amount. So what I mean by choose loan amount is that you choose a specific amount. That's why it's initially stated that you could get 1,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, you could get 1,000 Ghana cedis plus in just 1 minute by just following this procedure. Okay, right. And then you select repayment plan. Okay, and then you input your MTN mobile money pin, and then you are good to go. That's it. Okay, so you choose you first dial star 170 hash on your phone. You select the option 5, and then click financial service. You choose number 3, and then select quick loan. Select the option get a loan, and then choose the loan amount. So in case you have time after going through this procedure, I will do the steps for you to see. Okay, but in case I don't want this video to be long. Okay, so in case the time elapses, I'll just leave it for you to try, but in case you have time, I'll just go through the procedure so that you get to know. Now, after option 6 or after step 6, okay, step 6 is input your mobile money pin. You get access to the loan services. Okay, MTN will just do the transaction, and then you're good to go. Now note, MTN will handle your request after your application has been successfully submitted. Okay, you will receive an SMS notification if your application is accepted. In order for your application to be accepted, all these boxes have to be checked. Okay, all these boxes have to be checked. You have to be eligible, right? and then the notification confirms the loan amount and the time frame for repayment. Okay, so in case you are getting value from this channel and this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, like the video, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. So now let's go back and let me show you the procedure. Okay, let's see whether you have enough time to purchase or apply for this loan. Okay, so with that 1705 financial services and choose what option 3. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, move on to what option 5, that's financial services. Okay, then move on to what was the option? Loans. Okay, so choose 3. Okay, 3, that's loans. Then you have what? Quickloan. Okay, that's the Quickloan, that's option 1. Then we have what? Welcome to loans. Okay, so get a loan, repay my loan, check my loan balance, about, view quick, terms and conditions. Okay, so let's go for the terms and conditions before we come back to what this one. So we have what? When you accept the terms and conditions, you consent to receiving SMS and MTN sharing your personal information with loan providers. Okay, so let's move on to, let's go back. Okay, let's go back to this list. So let's get the loan. Okay, so first you need to enter your PIN number to confirm. So that's where you enter your MTN PIN. Okay, so I don't need any loan right now. Okay, so once you get here, just go ahead and enter your PIN, and then you'll be good to go. Okay, the rest of the procedure is just straight ahead. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Have a lovely day.